To set whether or not the file is looping, you need to edit the file itself. This can't be done within the engine. I've found Wavesaur to be a free software that handles this pretty nicely. And this is what it looks like. You can drop audio into Wavesaur, double-click it to select it, and then press L to set loop points. Or, under the Tools and Loop menu, you can delete loop points. I'm going to make this new file a little different. There we go. Right. Saving in Wavesaur overwrites the imported file, so be sure to do a save as. I'm going to put the file in the sounds folder. I'm going to call it no loop test. Now we're going to make a new entry in the VSND EVTS file. We're going to copy paste everything within the outer brackets. Put it right there. And now we need to change the sound name. And now we'll change the file path to the sound we just created. No loop test. Save. Let's copy this sound name. Let's go back to Hammer. Pull up the sound name and paste the new one in. And it works, which is a little surprising. Usually you should recompile and reload, which I'm going to do anyways, just to be safe. Let's build. You have to stop the sound to play it again. You can attach the sound source to an entity like a physics prop. I'll use a radio. Change from prop static to prop physics, and then give the radio a name like radio. Now back to the ambient generic entity. At the bottom you'll see source entity name, and there you can put radio. That's it, we're done. Let's build. It takes some distance to get the effect. All of our sounds are going to be processed according to the VSND EVTS file, the type flag in particular. I want to demonstrate a different type, which is HLVR 2D with occlusion. This processing will lower the volume of your sound if the line of sight is broken. If the source of your sound can't be seen, then you won't hear it either. Let's save, recompile, reload, and let's go. Oh, I gotta put something in the way to block it first. You also have the ability for randomization of your sounds. In the VSND EVTS file, under VSND files, you can add multiple file paths, and this will randomly select which file to play. It won't play the same file twice in a row. These files I added while you weren't looking. You don't need to see that. Alright, that sounds the same, but they're panned differently. There we go. If it randomly selects a WAV file that has loop points, it will loop only that WAV file and not randomize to other files. I hope your audio turns out alright, and after watching, I hope you've left with something worth knowing. I've had a great time learning this engine on the Half-Life Alyx modding hub Discord, and the user, I'm Drinking Coca, was particularly helpful. Extra thanks. So thank you all, and mod on.